Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dead by Daylight error code 131. The error reads, the save game could not be read. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play Dead by Daylight. Many users shared that after re-downloading the game, it shows error code along with a message to contact support before closing. This error often appears for players who are trying to play the game after a long time. According to our research, this error is most likely related to corrupted save data or old accounts that require a manual fix from the developers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if the game has any pending updates. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Just make sure to back up any data that might get deleted during the uninstallation process. Once the game is reinstalled, check for the error again. At last, if you still get the error, then the issue is most likely with your account. In this case, contact Dead by Daylight support. Many players shared that support fixed their accounts and even provided compensation such as blood points and fragments. So if you still receive the error, then reach out to support and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.